Assalamualaikum and very good morning to everyone. We are Group 6 and today we'll be discussing the topic Understanding High Turnover Among Generation Z in the Workplace. Our team includes me, myself, Adiba Nabila, Nurul Hidayah, Maisara, Siti Radia and Nur Akila Maisara. We have conducted extensive research to explore the reason behind the high turnover rates in this demographic and hope to provide valuable insights into how organizations can better retain young talent. We hope to engage you in a meaningful discussion and welcome any questions or thoughts you may have throughout the presentation. Thank you for your attention and we look forward to sharing our findings with you. Next slide, understanding high turnover rates among Generation Z employees. It is crucial for business today to grasp the reason behind the high turnover rates among Generation Z employees. As this generation becomes a significant part of the workforce, it can bring different expectations, emphasizing career growth and flexibility. This increase and impact of turnover, productivity and morale. Notably, 65% of Gen Z workers are inclined to leave jobs that do not offer career growth opportunity, underscoring the necessity for organizations to rethink their strategies. To retain Gen Z talent, companies should concentrate on providing career development opportunity, offering flexible work environments. These efforts can lead to enhanced job certification and reduction in turnover.
Moving on the impact of high turnover on Generation Z employees, next I will discuss 2 positive impacts and 4 negative impacts resulting from this issue. One positive impact is gain new experience and skill. When employees move between different organizations, they are exposed to new tasks, industry and way of working. This helps them develop new competency and improve their professional knowledge. Another positive impact is exposure to different work environments. Working in different organizations allow employees to interact with different people, adapt to various workplace, culture, and build broader professional network. However, high turnover can also create several challenges. One major impact is stress from frequent job changes. Employees need to continuously adapt to new responsibilities, college, and workplace expectations. This adjustment process can sometimes increase stress and anxiety. Another impact is lack of long-term development. Employees who frequently change jobs may miss opportunity for promotion, mentorship, and structured training programs that are important for career growth. High turnover may also result in lower job satisfaction and burnout from constant adaptation. Constantly adjusting to new environment and work demand can be exhausting and may affect an employee's motivation and well-being. Overall, while changing job can provide valuable learning opportunities, excessive turnover may negatively affect employees' career development and overall well-being.
This slide highlights the main causes of high turnover among Generation Z employees. The first cause is the lack of career growth opportunities. Gen Z employees value continuous learning and career advancements. When organizations do not provide clear promotion path or development opportunities, employees may seek better opportunities elsewhere. The second cause is poor work-life balance. Gen Z places great importance on maintaining a healthy balance between work and personal life. Long working hours and heavy workloads can result in stress, burnout, and eventually resignation. Thirdly, there is often a mismatch between expectations and reality. During recruitment, employees may have certain expectations about their role, workplace, culture, or career prospects. When the actual experience differs from what was promised, dissatisfaction may occur. Another factor is the lack of recognition. Gen Z employees appreciate feedback and acknowledgement for their contributions. When their efforts are not recognized, they may feel undervalued and become less committed to the organization. Lastly, Gen Z employees have a strong desire for meaningful work. They prefer jobs that provide purpose and align with their personal values. If they feel their work lacks meaning, they are more likely to leave. Therefore, organizations should address these factors to improve employee retention and reduce turnover among Generation Z workers.
Now, I will discuss the impact of high turnover among Generation Z employees on organization. According to Gen Z and Millennial survey conducted by Deloitte, many Generation Z employees are willing to leave their job if they are dissatisfied with career growth opportunities, work-life balance, or workplace culture. This creates both positive and negative impact on organization. Firstly, one positive impact is fresh perspective and innovative ideas. When new employees join the organization, they bring different experience, updated knowledge, and creative way of solving problems. This can help organizations improve their processes and adapt to change in the business environment. However, there are several negative impacts. The first impact is high recruitment and training costs. Organizations need to spend additional money and time on advertising vacancies, conducting interviews, hiring new employees, and providing training. When turnover occurs frequently, this cost can become a significant burden. Second, loss of young talent. Generation Z employees often possess strong digital skills, creativity, and innovative thinking. When they leave, organizations lose valuable knowledge and potential future leaders who could contribute to future success. Next, disruption in workflow. When employees resign, their responsibility must be taken over by existing staff until replacements are found. This can increase workload, create stress, and delay important tasks or projects. The fourth impact is reduced productivity. New employees need time to learn their responsibility and adapt to the organization working environment. During this period, overall productivity may decrease and performance may be affected. Finally, lower employee morale. Frequent turnover can increase pressure on remaining employees because they may have to handle additional work. As a result, motivation, job satisfaction, and employee engagement may decline. Although high turnover can bring fresh ideas and new perspectives, it also increases recruitment costs, causes the loss of talented employees, disrupt workflow, reduce productivity, and lower employee morale. Therefore, organizations should implement effective retention strategies to maintain a stable and productive workforce.
Thank you, Radia. Hi everyone, I'm Akila Mesara. In this part of the presentation, I'll be talking about what might happen if the issue of high turnover among Gen Z is left unaddressed. One consequence that organizations may face is continuous talent shortage. Imagine if young employees keep leaving the company, sooner or later it becomes harder to find suitable replacements. Not only that, there may also be fewer experienced young employees who can take on leadership roles in the future. Another issue is weakened organizational performance. When employees leave repeatedly, teams need to spend time helping new staff learn and adapt. Instead of focusing fully on their work, they need to guide new employees. Over time, this can affect productivity and overall performance. Next, organizations may find it harder to retain future employees. Many Gen Z employees today look for career growth, flexibility, and a good work-life balance. In fact, Deloitte survey shows that these are some of the main reasons why they choose to stay with the company. If these expectations are not met, talented employees may start looking for opportunities elsewhere. Besides that, high turnover also increases costs. Every time an employee leaves, the company needs to spend time and money on recruitment, onboarding, and training. As shown in the recruitment cycle, this process keeps repeating, using resources that could have been spent on developing existing employees instead. Lastly, organizations may experience a decline in their employer brand. When employees leave and share negative experiences on job platforms or social medias, it can affect how others view the company. As shown on the slides, this feedback can spread quickly and make the organization less attractive to potential applicants. Over time, companies may face greater challenges in attracting qualified candidates and building a strong talent pipeline. Therefore, addressing high turnover is important not only for retaining employees but also for protecting the organization's reputation in the long run. With that, I would like to pass the presentation to Adiba, who will discuss the possible solutions.
After discussing the consequence of high turnover among Generation Z employees, let's look at some solutions that organizations can implement. First, organizations should provide career development opportunities such as training programs, mentoring, and promotion pathways. Since Gen Z employees value growth and continuous learning, provide this opportunity can encourage them to stay longer with the organization. Second, organization can offer flexible working arrangements such as hybrid work, remote work, and flexible working hours. This helps employees achieve a better work-life balance and improve job satisfaction. Many Gen Z employees prioritize personal well-being and flexibility, making these arrangements important for improving employee retention. Third, organizations should improve communication and provide regular feedback. Gen Z employees appreciate open communication and want to know how they are performing. Regular feedback can help them feel valued and support. Lastly, organizations should create a meaningful work environments where employees feel recognized, included, and connected to the company's goals and values. When employees find purpose in their work, they are more likely to remain committed to organization. In conclusion, high turnover among Generation Z employees has become an important challenge for many organizations. Factors such as limited career growth opportunity, poor work-life balance, lack of recognition, and the desire for meaningful work contribute to high turnover among Gen Z employees. If organizations fail to address these issues, they may experience talent shortage, reduced productivity, and weaker organization performance. Therefore, organizations should implement effective retention strategies that meet the needs and expectations of Generation Z employees. By doing so, organizations can improve employee retention, strengthen workforce stability, and support long-term organization success. Ultimately, by understanding and responding to the expectation of Generation Z, organization can build a more engaged, productive, and sustainable workforce for the future. Thank you for your attention.